I hate these people. These are the biggest cowards of the highway. So this guy from Colorado is coming up on me, going a little bit over the speed limit. Goes ahead and passes me. And then all of a sudden, his balls drop off. He slows down. Why? Kansas Highway Patrol. He didn't have the balls to keep the speed that he was going. Now the funny part is by the time he saw the cop already knows how fast you're going, dumbass. So might as well just maintain the speed, because now if you slow down and the cop sees you slow down, the cop's going to know that you saw him and think, hey, he slowed down. He's trying to avoid the stupid ticket. I'm just going to go ahead and ruin his day. Oh, and by the way, you got Colorado tags, so guess what? I smell weed. But anyways, we're past the cop here, so this guy's just going to go ahead and speed back up and slowly inch past me.